Sary-Chelek, the Yellow Cup Lake, is one of Kyrgyzstan's most beautiful. It is a natural reserve of national significance. Created by an earthquake, the lake is located 1,873 meters above the sea level. This 7-kilometer long and 1.5-kilometer wide unique mountain passage is filled with crystal clear glacial water. The lake is up to 234 meters deep, with spruces growing right out of its water. The pilchard is the only fish species able to live in the lake. The peaks around the lake reveal beautiful pictures. The lake looks like a huge blue sapphire framed by the emerald of the coniferous forests. This National Reserve's flora is worthy of a botanical museum. There are walnut trees, silver firs, cherry plums, pistachio trees, and honeysuckle. Kumis is Kyrgyzstan's traditional drink. It is made from the milk of mares grazing in the alpine grass. The ecologically perfect forage and crystal clear water that they drink make their milk one of the most curative, refreshing, and thirst-quenching drinks.